Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace intake VVT solenoid on Kia Forte. So, as you know guys, it might even work the same for Kia Soul and Optima with a 4-cylinder engine. This is your VVT solenoid for the intake side. And how you know that? This is your intake. It's on the intake side. Now on the back side right here, okay, you have your exhaust pipe, and the exhaust VVT solenoid will be right here. So in this video we'll demonstrate how to replace this one. If you need the exhaust one, we'll have it on the video as well. We'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart guys, so please give a subscribe, and if you need anything let us know, we'll try to make a video. Also, we just started a brand new channel called Electrical Car Repair Live. You'll be able to find more information about your vehicle and repair videos that relates to electrical components and engine codes there. Please subscribe guys. The first step will be to disconnect the wire. You pull up on that tooth and pull the wire out. After that, okay, it's super easy procedure. You have to remove that bolt with a 10mm socket. We will have a video guys how to test the solenoid so you know if it's good or not. That way you don't have to waste your money buying one. Okay, so we remove that bolt. And after that you grab the solenoid. It might be stuck, so you need to move it a little bit, okay, and eventually it will come out. You might leak some oil out as well. That's normal. Okay, you can see I leaked some on the alternator here. Make sure you don't get that hole dirty or you don't drop anything inside of it, because your car will not work after that as it should. So this is the solenoid now. So you get the new one, okay, and you're going to go ahead, get some oil from your dipstick and apply on the O-ring there. That way the O-ring will not be dry, because if it's dry and you try to push it in the hole, it might break and you have a crazy oil leak here. So go ahead, push it in, align the hole with the bolt here, okay, and we'll need to install the bolt now. And once you get that thing tight, do not forget to connect your wire, because if you forget to connect the wire, it will not work. When repairing things, the most common thing that people forget is to connect the wires. You always miss one, so always double check that. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.